Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Happy Friday, happy Thanksgiving, and happy Black Friday. I hope you guys had a great dinner last night. I hope you guys are doing healthy and safe as usual. But today's video is going to be about flocking. So it will be a really simple video, but I hope you guys enjoy it. But also, check out the new video intro right here. Alright, here we go. So you have your paintbrush, your flock glue, the flocking, and the flocker. So, the idea is you put the flocking and the flocker, you apply the flocking glue to the part, then you take your flocker and you flock it. You flock the piece. Yes. So the first step is going to go ahead and open up these two things, but please read the instructions. So here they are, just so you understand what's going on here. No, I think everyone has a screwdriver that's not pretty. This is my ugly one. Alright. I'm going to go ahead and put the flocking in the flocker. There's probably 1,000 ways to do this. I'm just gonna might want to get a funnel if you're gonna do this. I don't know if this is going to work, but we're going to find out. I have it almost filled up. So let's go ahead and... There we go. This side. Flip it in, and you just go to town. Alright. So you're supposed to twist this and pump it. Twist and pump. Amazing now. Don't want to touch it, but this side needs to get more flock on it. And then the back side's looking pretty good. You get just a few small areas. If it was white, let's see how much of a mess it does make. That's why we got the trash bag on hand. So the instructions do say you can actually keep the flocking that's like left over. Probably not going to keep it. I still have like at least half a bag, so there's not really much else I'm going to flock, and I don't really want to waste the time on this just to clean that up to try to reuse it, because there's glue on this anyways. But the brush is completely coated in flock now, so that brush is gone, but I do have another one on standby. Yeah, there we go. So after refilling it, I would say it's probably at least, I don't know, half a bag. This thing was completely full, I think. So it's looking pretty good. Instructions, completely coated. It's all a mess. I did empty this back into the bag, and then I put the lid back on the flocking glue itself. So that's done, and now it's time to clean up. And that's it. That is the video. Very simple. I didn't go too much into detail, but again, I want to wait until everything is ready and I can make a full-on video of what the interior looks like. But stay safe, guys. I'll see you guys around next week.